Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm painting Hyun. We are gonna painting these flowers. I already done sketch on the watercolor paper with 2H pencil. Okay, colors. I will use my palette colors and mainly use maybe sap green, cobalt green, Viridian for background. And I will let you know while I'm painting what color I use, okay? And we are gonna use wet on wet technique in the background as ever. First, wetting the paper gently 1 or 2 times with big wash brush. And we are gonna use wet on wet technique in the background. So taking a little bit cobalt green and apply on the paper watery color here and there, sky area, around the flower area. Okay, and take some sort of green. Still I'm using a big wash brush. Apply on the first layer, and then now little bit get more darker color. Apply on the first layer, second layer. This color I mixed sap green and ultramarine deep and a little bit of cobalt green, cobalt blue. Okay. This we are using wet on wet technique, and this stroke is this stem or some bushes leaf. So brush stroke very freely here and there. Okay, this color is cobalt blue, cobalt green around the flower area and sky area. These colors spread by themselves. This paper still wet, and I'm adding flowers color far in the distance area. And I'm using splatter technique on the background. This color I used bright violet and mix magenta. Now I'm taking some ultramarine deep and a little bit of indigo, mix sap green. This is some flower stem. Okay, next apply water on the flower area. Okay, this flower color bright violet mix magenta. This is first layer for flower. And I'm using the brush strokes. Just brush touches on the paper and pressed, then apply, then slide up. Touch the paper and press, then slide up. Take some bright violet and with very strong density of color. Paint on the first layer of flowers. This color is very rich and dark and strong color. This is second layer of the flowers, adding on the flowers. Change the brush. We used a very small pointed brush. Draw some line on the petals. It's a leaf veins. When we want to get an abstract effect in the background with Wedone technique, there are many times we used masking fluid on flowers, but however, this time we will not use masking fluid, and actually we need to learn, okay? Take some light yellow, draw on the pistil with yellow one by one. Take some dark green, draw some original leaves, and yeah, just look like bush leaves. I'm still using thin Escoda pointed brush. Draw the flowers far in the distance, here and there. Take some bright violet mix, ultramarine deep, and magenta. Draw on the pistil. Oh, this is not pistil, this is a stamen. This is a final touch-up. Draw some lines and define the petals. And I want to take out some colors, so I'm using synthetic brush. Synthetic brush and clean water. when you draw the line in the petals, you need to do very be careful. Your brush stroke very quick. Move your brush stroke very quickly. Okay. Okay, this painting all done. See you next time. Bye.